yes, we're being what's called stupid. That girl's very rubbish. I don't even have nothing to say about this. Wow, it's an enormous police car. This is the most wondrous thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, it's time to go. Dun 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 dun. Whoa! Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Once upon a time, there was this ordinary policeman called Chase McCain. He was very lucky to be a policeman. He just didn't know yet. Now, Chase was an ordinary policeman who doesn't even know why he could understand that. For one reason, his broomstick keeps always falling off his police car. But that doesn't even have to see. Thank you or please to it. Because he could just ride on his broomstick. Zoom! Zoom, 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 zoom. Maybe that was the wrong idea for driving a police car. Doing this police job is terrifyingly awful. It doesn't even have to be to say about that. I'm getting literally and totally bored for this. Zoom! Zoom! Whoa! No! My glass window! Quick, go. Oh. Chase, you're probably one of the most kids who ever learns to become a policeman. Yeah, no magic brooms, of course. Now let's go. Oh. Wow. Oh, I'm stuck. Here you go. Let's get you back up. There you go. That wasn't a bad job at all. Well, Broom, that mission was obviously terrible. Oh my goodness, Chase, you don't have to be so mean about a mission. What's so bad about a mission? Everything. I won't come back. I just don't know yet. Okay. So it's time for... Oh, where's the enormous police car gone? Okay, time to chase it. Oh dear. You wanna take my money? I wanna take your money. Wait a minute, what? What is he saying? He says, you want to take my money? I want to take your money. Oh dear. This is just terrifying. Chase, you didn't steal all my money. But I'm innocent. Be quiet. Oh dear. Come on, why do you always have to do this?